In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your headset mic on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you two super convenient methods that you have to connect and use a microphone attached to your headset to your Nintendo Switch. Keep in mind that, of course, I just want to make it very clear, this is only going to work if your headset has a mic included. I cannot guarantee that this is going to work if you want to use a standalone pair of headphones and a standalone mic. But if you have a headset that is compatible with the Switch, usually the easiest way to get it working is to plug it into the headphone jack. So if you look at the bottom of your Nintendo Switch or somewhere along the border, you will be able to find the little headphone jack. All that you have to do, as you might expect, is connect the headset in there. As long as both the microphone and the actual earbuds go through the same cable, you will be able to connect it in there and have the microphone and the audio working properly. So you will be able to hear everything happening in game. Some games that offer voice chat, you will be able to hear your teammates talk, and most importantly, the mic is going to be working right away. So the headset jack is the primary way of getting a gaming headset into the Nintendo Switch. Alternatively, you might also have a wireless gaming headset where you don't need the cable, and if you are able to connect it over Bluetooth, it is also going to be possible to use the mic. All that you have to do instead is make sure that the device is in pairing mode, and this is going to differ for every single headset, but once you have the gaming headset or whatever headset you want to use set to the Bluetooth pairing mode, go back to your Switch, access the settings, and then choose Bluetooth audio. In there, you will be able to go into the option to pair device, and all that you have to do now is find the device while it is in pairing mode. So you will be able to set it up this way, and it is extremely simple. I hope I was able to help you on how to use headset mic on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.